At this point, I would also like to go across to our National Affairs editor, Rahul Srivastav, to give us on the latest on what has been decided as well. Rahul, what precisely is the decision with the government and the procedure? Because here the farmers are not willing to back down. They are not moving away. They still continue to protest at the Ghazipur border. So what do you think is the procedure? By when can we expect the repeal of the farm laws?
Pusha, largely because of the incoming elections in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, and also some very serious concerns regarding Punjab, which is a border state, and a flare-up on the 26th of January, which is approaching, and remembering that what happened earlier this year. Eventually, the government gave in to the demand of the farmers to repeal the farm laws, and the Prime Minister announced it. Today, the Cabinet has okayed the Farm Laws Repeal Bill. For repealing the three bills, one bill has been created, and that will be first taken to the Lok Sabha, most likely. And the Business Advisory Committee, all the floor leaders will meet, and a decision will be taken on when the bill will be taken up. But what we are being told, it will be done the soonest. One of the first items on the agenda pushed by the government, as far as legislation is concerned, could well be the repeal of the farm laws. The government wants to send out a signal that it means what it said, and it's in a haste to do that. And what we are told, that once these laws are repealed, then the government will start working on the other promise that the Prime Minister made on the 19th, and that is the formation of a committee with domain experts, with the farmers and their leaders and others, to look into threadbare into all the demands of the farmers. But eventually what the government is also trying to do is show that it is speeding up, because one of the biggest demands of the farmers was repealing. And that's why it wants that the farmers should move out once the laws are eventually repealed in the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. The idea is to do it soonest.
And backtracking, Rahul, also from one of the most difficult decisions, yes, that was taken by the government, but nevertheless, they had to go ahead and do it. Rahul Srivastav, our National Affairs editor, with all the latest. And now I want to speak to the farmers who have been protesting, but just giving you of how Ghazipur border looks now. Of course, for the past 1 year, it was packed with farmers and protesters. Just giving you a location idea for our viewers as well. Thoda idhar aa jaye. Yahan pe, as you can see, there is, of course, a busy flyover that connects the national capital, Delhi, to Uttar Pradesh. And just adjacent to that was this massive protest site. It has been there for years now. People have, of course, started to dwindle compared to the numbers that were there earlier. But these are farmers who I know have been sitting here for over a year now. Prabal is one of the spokespersons of one of these farmer groups that have been here. Prabal, why is it that you do not want to go? You wanted the government to take back the laws. The first step has been taken today. Anurag Thakur also announced. And yet the protesters are here. Why? Don't you trust the government even now?
Shally, the first of thing are the protests which we are going.
Yes.
We have won the half battle. It's a half battle.
Half battle.
Our four demands are there. The first of the repeal of the farm laws. The second is the MSP guarantee law. The third one is the electricity bill amendment bill, which is 2020, to repeal that. And the NCR pollution bill they have introduced. We want the demanding for the repeal of that. And afterwards, in the period of this, in a 1 year period, 700 and more farmers have been martyred in this agitation. And we want the martyr to be compensated by the government.
The ones who died during these protests.
By the government.
What is your biggest demand?
The biggest demand is MSP.
The minimum support price.
Minimum support price, because this is the paddy season. The cultivation of paddy is going on. And today in UP, the farmers are not getting the minimum support price of 1940. They are bound to sell their product at a cost of 1,200 or 1,100 per quintal. The loss is near about 900 or 800 per quintal up to a farmer.
So you're saying there needs to be a guarantee. What these farmers, I'll help.
And one more.
Yes,
one more demand is this: the Cheni Mishra, the Union Home Minister of State, he have been being a conspirator of the massacre which will happen in Lakhimpur Kheri. He will be expelled out from the cabinet.
He needs to be
expelled out and be arrested.
Okay. So there are two demands. First, as per the farmers, it is the minimum support price that they want a guarantee of from the government. But they're also saying, we all remember the Lakhimpur Kheri incident, and that Neta from the party, from the cabinet needs to go. That's what